Today, we're going to talk about one of my hobbies and the lessons that I'm learning for business from doing this hobby. I'm Laura Berman Fortgang, Master Credentialed Coach, 5-time best-selling author, and TEDx speaker. In the last year or so, I started flipping furniture. I take antique pieces or out-of-date pieces, and I either refurbish them to their original beauty or I paint them and do something creative with them. Here's the thing about this. It's highly creative, and yet 90% of this hobby is the preparation, the sanding, fixing cracks, priming before you can paint. You don't get to do the fun, creative, making it beautiful, doing the design part until 90% of the time is gone. And I found that to be a great and interesting analogy around having your own business. You want to deliver the coaching, or you want to deliver the speaking, or you want to deliver the product that you create and that you do. But 90% of the work is the marketing, the creating of content. It's the managing your business. It's the managing other people in your business. 90% of what we do is the prep work. And I think that this is surprising to some people. Like, wow, there's so much to be done. That's not the fun part. So the challenge becomes, how do you make it fun? So maybe this is also about the journey versus the destination, that we have to enjoy the prep. We have to enjoy the less sexy work to deliver the goods. Take that challenge, and I'll see you next week for Friday Focus.